Welcome back, fellow food aficionados. Today, let's embark on a tantalizing journey through the kaleidoscopic realm of herbs and spices. From the golden hues of turmeric to the fiery zest of cayenne pepper, let's unravel the origins, culinary enchantments, health perks, and possible cautions of these indispensable kitchen treasures. Prepare to amplify your culinary masterpieces and invigorate your well-being with the bounty of nature. Let's ignite our taste buds and infuse some zest into our culinary adventures. Number 1. Turmeric. Turmeric, scientifically known as curcuma longa, hails from the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia, belonging to the ginger family. Its rhizomes, utilized fresh or dried, are a cornerstone of Indian, Middle Eastern, and Southeast Asian cuisines, lending a warm, bitter taste and a vivid yellow hue to dishes. Rich in curcumin, turmeric offers anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, potentially aiding in conditions like heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's. It also supports joint health and digestion. Despite its benefits, caution is advised with high-dose curcumin supplements, which could lead to gastrointestinal issues or interact unfavorably with medications, particularly for those with gallbladder problems or on blood thinners. Number 2. Cinnamon. Cinnamon, sourced from the inner bark of cinnamomum trees native to Southeast Asia, exists in two main varieties, Ceylon cinnamon and cassia cinnamon. Both are staples in cooking, offering a sweet, warm essence to dishes. Rich in antioxidants, particularly polyphenols, cinnamon boasts health benefits like improved blood sugar control and lowered LDL cholesterol, potentially reducing heart disease risk. It also possesses anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, supporting immune function and gut health. Despite its advantages, caution is advised with cassia cinnamon due to its coumarin content, which could pose liver risks in high doses, making Ceylon cinnamon a preferable option for regular consumption. Number 3. Ginger. Originating from the Zingiber officinale plant's rhizome, ginger boasts a Southeast Asian heritage but now thrives globally in tropical regions. Revered for its robust flavor and captivating aroma, it stands as a culinary and medicinal cornerstone. Fresh ginger enlivens Asian cuisine, while dried or ground variants grace Western dishes. Laden with gingerol and vital nutrients such as vitamin C, potassium, and manganese, it promotes digestive wellness, curbs inflammation, and fortifies antioxidant defenses. Renowned for its anti-nausea properties, digestive aid, and muscle pain relief, ginger holds a cherished place in natural remedies. However, excessive consumption may precipitate digestive discomfort, especially for individuals on blood-thinning medications. Moderation is key to harnessing its myriad benefits. Number 4. Garlic. Garlic, scientifically termed Allium sativum, originates from Central Asia and is esteemed worldwide for its pungent taste and medicinal virtues. Abundant in sulfur compounds such as allicin, it confers various health advantages, notably in cardiovascular health by lowering blood pressure and LDL cholesterol levels. Its potent antimicrobial qualities not only combat infections but also fortify immune function. Despite its benefits, moderation is key, as overindulgence may prompt gastrointestinal issues. Caution is particularly warranted with supplements, especially for those on blood-thinning medications, as garlic may interact unfavorably. Therefore, while garlic is generally considered safe and beneficial, prudent consumption and awareness of potential interactions are essential for harnessing its full potential without adverse effects. Number 5. Oregano. Oregano, a member of the mint family, originates from the Mediterranean, but is now cultivated worldwide for its robust flavor and aromatic oils. Both fresh and dried leaves are staples in Mediterranean and Italian cuisines, enhancing dishes like pasta sauces and grilled meats. Rich in antioxidants like rosmarinic acid and thymol, oregano offers health benefits including antimicrobial properties against various pathogens. It also aids in reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases. While culinary use is generally safe, caution is advised with oregano oil or supplements, especially for those with allergies or during pregnancy and breastfeeding. Number 6. Rosemary. Rosemary, originating from the Mediterranean but now grown globally, is a prized herb with needle-like leaves, esteemed for its piney flavor and aroma. Its fresh or dried leaves enhance a variety of dishes, from roasted meats to bread. Rich in antioxidants like rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid, rosemary offers health benefits, including anti-inflammatory effects that may combat chronic diseases. It's also studied for potential cognitive benefits and digestive support. While generally safe culinarily, caution is advised with supplements or oil, especially for those with epilepsy or hypertension, due to possible side effects like gastrointestinal upset or toxicity. Number 7. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper, originating from Central and South America but now cultivated worldwide, is renowned for its fiery heat and pungent flavor. Rich in capsaicin, it adds spice to dishes like chili and curries. Alongside vitamin C and A, it offers potential health benefits including metabolism boosting and weight loss support by curbing appetite and increasing calorie expenditure. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties may aid pain relief, particularly for conditions like arthritis. While generally safe, excessive consumption may lead to gastrointestinal discomfort, and caution is advised with capsaicin creams or supplements, which may cause skin irritation, especially on broken skin. Number 8. Basil. Basil, originating from tropical regions of Asia and Africa but now cultivated globally, is revered for its sweet, aromatic flavor, prominent in Mediterranean, Italian, and Southeast Asian cuisines. Its fresh leaves elevate salads, pasta dishes, and pesto sauce. Rich in antioxidants like orientin and vicinin, basil offers anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects, bolstering immune function. Compounds like eugenol may ease pain and inflammation, while basil essential oil is studied for antibacterial and antiviral properties, supporting respiratory health. Caution is advised with basil oil or supplements due to potential skin irritation, and pregnant or breastfeeding women should moderate intake to avoid stimulating uterine contractions. Number 9. Thyme. Thyme, originating from the Mediterranean but now cultivated worldwide, is prized for its earthy, slightly minty taste and aroma, enriching a wide array of dishes from soups to roasted meats. Rich in antioxidants like thymol and carvacrol, thyme offers potential health benefits, including antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that could help reduce the risk of chronic conditions. With a historical reputation for aiding respiratory issues, it may also alleviate cough and cold symptoms. While culinary use is generally safe, caution is advised with supplements or essential oil due to potential adverse effects such as gastrointestinal discomfort or toxicity, especially for individuals sensitive to plants in the Lamiaceae family. Number 10. Black pepper. Black pepper, a staple spice globally, originates from South India and thrives in tropical regions worldwide. Its pungent flavor and aroma derived from dried berries of the Piperaceae family's flowering vine are beloved in culinary traditions worldwide. Rich in bioactive compounds like piperine, black pepper offers more than just taste. It's been studied for its potential to enhance nutrient absorption, particularly aiding the uptake of compounds like curcumin from turmeric. Additionally, black pepper may wield antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Its historical use in aiding digestion and alleviating gastrointestinal discomfort further underscores its versatile role in health and cuisine. While culinary use is generally safe, overconsumption may lead to gastrointestinal issues or worsen conditions like acid reflux or ulcers. Caution is also warranted with piperine supplements, as they may interact with certain medications, necessitating careful use, particularly for individuals on prescription drugs. What a flavorful journey it has been through the world of herbs and spices. We trust you found this exploration both enlightening and inspiring. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more culinary adventures, tips, and tricks to elevate your kitchen skills. Until our next rendezvous, happy cooking, and may your dishes always stay delightfully flavorful.